I recently purchased the Bento box lunch box with the accompanying lunch bag, and it has exceeded my expectations. The stackable design not only saves space in my bag, but also looks aesthetically pleasing. I appreciate the variety of compartments created by the dividers, which allow me to pack different foods like salads, grains, and fruits without them touching each other, preserving flavors and textures. The quality of the materials feels sturdy and durable, making it suitable for daily use. The lunch bag is insulated, effectively keeping my meals fresh for several hours, and it has enough room to accommodate the bento box along with an ice pack if needed. I found it easy to clean, as it's both dishwasher and microwave safe. Overall, this bento box has truly enhanced my meal prep experience, making it enjoyable to bring healthy, homemade lunches to work. I highly recommend it to anyone looking for a practical and stylish solution for on-the-go meals. I hope this review